Hey, it's John from Florida. We're here in Chicago where it is cold. We're gonna talk to some people about why maybe they'd rather be in Florida right now. Let's go. What if this weather was exactly the same, except like 78?
Wow, I would faint.
Would you mind reading the weather report for me tomorrow? What's Saturday say?
72,
What about Sunday?
66.
Oh, that's in West Palm Beach. That's my bad. How are you gonna deal with it?
I'm just gonna be in bed all day.
You're gonna be in bed all day? Tomorrow when I'm home in Florida, I'm gonna be wearing flip-flops and shorts.
You're a jerk.
I'm sorry.
79 and sunny.
Oh, it's Miami. Doesn't Miami sound amazing though?
Yes.
It's pretty much that temperature everywhere in Florida right now. Oh my gosh, where would you rather be right now?
I'd rather be in Florida.
Why is that?
Oh, beautiful weather, sunny beaches, people like you.
Guys, I don't even think I have to talk to her anymore. She did everything. I couldn't help but notice that you got a lot of snow in your hair right now. Or a severe dandruff issue. I don't think that's what it is. Can we shake it out? Like, let's go.
Living in Paradise, #Keys.
That's Florida right now. Look at that.
I want to be there.
He wants to be there. My work here is done. I got you a manatee.
No way.
Those manatees are native to Florida. I have seen those my whole life. They also call them a sea cow.
They're not cows.
Now, how does that photo make you feel?
Like I need to be in Florida right now.
Let's say tomorrow you wake up in sunny Florida. What's the first thing you're gonna do?
Go swimming.
You're going swimming? That's ice in the water. That's crazy. This scarf is just hanging around because I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, you're supposed to kind of like wrap it around your face a little bit.
Oh, that makes perfect sense. I'm feeling great here in Chicago. So who do you think is winning winter? Chicago, the great Midwest, or Florida?
Florida.
Florida! Florida!
Florida!
Florida, hands down.
I think Florida's winning.
Florida, absolutely.
Florida! Florida! I've been all around Chicago. The cold's starting to get to me. I'm heading to Florida. You guys should come with me.